first layer of the TV remote holder for my TV is going on right now. It is at 29% done. Well, 30% done. It's got 30 minutes left. Now it's at 40% done, 26 minutes left for the TV remote holder for my TV. Alright, now that's what it looks like right now. And it's at 57%. It's got 18 minutes left. It's almost done. It's at 68% and it's got 13 minutes. It is about done. I can't believe it. It's at 88% and it's got 5 minutes left. And I'll show you guys I'll show you guys what it looks like after 5 minutes.